goodbye, and we are rising on a silver thread, forgetting all the foolish things we said, just for a moment, weightless and so small, high enough to finally see it all. The wind is all that's real up here, quiet. There is nothing left to fear. The velvet seats are holding empty space, a quiet kindness on each faded face, the heavy curtain breathing in and out, the silent promise killing every doubt, and we are waiting for the world to fade. A lovely lie, a perfect masquerade, just for a moment, let the darkness fall and show us something that is true for all. The exit signs are burning soft and green, the strangest stars I think I've ever seen. The air is thick with history and dust, a fragile temple of a fading trust, and we are waiting for the world to fade. A lovely lie, a perfect masquerade, just for a moment, let the darkness fall and show us something that is true for all. is bleeding on the sea. The person that I'm meant to be is standing right in front of me, so beautifully and quietly free. The waves are washing out the sand, a story I can understand, held in the safety of my hand, a quiet and a promised land. And the final sunset is a soft goodbye beneath a vast and endless sky, a reason that I cannot cry. The moment that we learn to fly. The air is cool, the day is done. The final race has not been run. The battle's neither lost nor won. Beneath the tired and weary sun, and the final sunset is a soft goodbye beneath the vast and endless sky, a reason that I cannot cry. The moment that we learn to fly. And I'm not looking for a sign. This quiet victory is mine. This beautiful and sweet design, so perfectly and so divine. And the final sunset is a warm goodbye beneath a vast and endless sky, a reason that I cannot cry. The moment that we learn to fly. The lake is calm, the shore is deep. The promises I couldn't keep are sleeping in a gentle sleep, a harvest that I'll never reap. I see it just beneath the blue, so beautifully and sadly new. The ghost of me, the ghost of you, a different and a hazy view.